I think she is. Arianna Tricomi in the start gate. She is hot for winning a title. She was so close already 2 years in a row. And she has what it takes, especially the playful riding the judges and the audience loves, which she hopefully shows again, combined with some big mountain style, just like this.
Popping off that first hit.
Always dynamic, always a pleasure to watch.
And now hitting this next air that Anna Orlova hit as well. And that's exactly what I was saying. If you combine those two features, I think she's the first person to hit both of them. And when no one else has done something and it's in the same area that you're skiing and you do it, that's so good for your score.
You're right. She knows how to build up a score and have fun at the same time. It is fun to link up features. Of course, Lorraine had a little different approach at the very top, but then went straight to a great air in the middle. And Arianna here links up beautifully all the features that comes her way. Up. Thought there will be a little grab in there.
Yeah, I think the takeoffs are maybe a little bit different to how people are expecting, but solid air in the middle.
Woohoo!
Oh yeah, Ari.
And
you had that on your mind.
Oh yes!
Big
yes!
360 from
She
Ari.
does it!
Woo!
Oh yeah!
And the pre-claim. Do it, girl. Yeah, what a run.
So well deserved. Oh, we talked so much about it. You have to do the 360. She can do it. She's proven it in films and riding without competition so many times.
Yeah, Ari. She can't believe it. Look at those judging criteria. Oh my gosh. The whole crowd is going wild here.
And it was a big one.